In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix X login error attestation denied problem. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now go to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find the app X, then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again and confirm it. For the Android device, press and hold on the app, click on App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, head back, navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can disconnect to the Wi-Fi, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next up, check for the app update. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app X. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, you can completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.